Welcome to this lesson on file extensions and types. In computing, file extensions play a crucial role in helping us identify and work with different types of files. Today, we'll explore common extensions like .exe, .jpg, .pdf, and many others, understanding what they mean and how they're used in everyday computing. A file extension is a suffix that appears at the end of a file name, usually after a dot or period. It tells your computer and you what type of file it is and what format the data is stored in. For example, in the file name document.pdf, the .pdf part is the file extension. This simple suffix helps your operating system determine which program should be used to open the file. File extensions are organized into different categories based on what type of content they contain. Document files include extensions like .pdf, .docx, and .txt. Image files use extensions such as .jpg, .png, and .gif. Audio files are identified by extensions like .mp3, .wav, and .FLAC. Video files commonly use .mp4, .avi, and .mkv. Each category serves a specific purpose in how we store and access digital content. The .exe extension stands for Executable and is used for program files on Windows operating systems. When you double-click a .exe file, it launches an application or runs a program. This is the file type you use when installing software on Windows. It's important to note that .exe files are platform-specific, meaning they only work on Windows computers and won't run on Mac or Linux systems without special software. The .jpg or .jpeg extension represents the Joint Photographic Experts Group format, one of the most widely used image file types. JPEGs use lossy compression, which means they reduce file size by removing some data, making them perfect for photographs and web images. You'll find this format everywhere, in digital cameras, on websites, in email attachments, and social media. The compression makes files smaller and faster to share, though at very high compression levels, some image quality may be lost. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, created by Adobe. This extension is special because it preserves the exact layout and formatting of a document, regardless of what device or software you use to open it. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a mobile device, a PDF will look identical. This makes it the standard format for sharing important documents, forms, ebooks, and any content where preserving the original appearance is critical. Let's look at some other frequently encountered file extensions. .txt files contain plain text without any formatting. .xlsx is Microsoft Excel's format for spreadsheets with data and calculations. .zip creates compressed archives that bundle multiple files together to save space. .html is used for web pages that your browser displays. .mp3 is the standard for compressed audio files, and .mp4 is the most common video format. Each of these extensions tells your computer exactly how to handle the file. To wrap up, remember that file extensions are essential for helping your computer identify files and open them with the correct program. They act as labels that indicate the type of content inside each file. When downloading or sharing files, always pay attention to the extension to ensure you're working with the right file type and that you have the appropriate software to open it. Understanding file extensions is a fundamental skill that will help you navigate the digital world more confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.